Today we're reviewing stuff, so let's go to intro. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are reviewing, it does have something to do with planes, a plane launcher. This is great. I'm not gonna do it this way because I have a TV there. So I'll do it this way. I'm good. Let's see how good it flies. I'm trying not to break my TV. Oh, it flies pretty good. It flies pretty good. Gotta reload it. I'm trying to hit the camera. Oh, hit the ladder. I see my cats has eaten this a bit. Now I'm going to try and hit the camera. Oh, it just went up. Let's just make sure we didn't break it. So it has these things that you put on it right here. I don't know why. I think it's to make it fly better. But it does. Let's see which one's better. Which way is better? Just throwing it normally or the plane launcher. So I'll move the camera over this way so we can test this out. So I got this plane here. So let's see if it's better to throw it. Oh, my room's a bit messy. So let's see if it's better to throw it or just launch this. So it does give more accuracy a bit, but we can test that by now launching the plane. Yeah, throwing it does give it a bit more accuracy, but doesn't mean it's still a pretty good product. So this is a pretty good product, but it doesn't really aim where you want it to go the most of the time. But other than that, it's a great product. So I'm gonna rate this a 7.5, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Okay, let's go.